So we're the Kinneys. We just bought a new Avia mattress today, and it came. We bought the foundation and the queen size luxury firm. So this is the unboxing of the entire mattress set as it came to us.
Now we already took the foundation out of the box, so as you can see, it comes in a box just like this mattress, but because of logistics and for other reasons we've already taken this out of the box, but they are sturdy foundations and they come already bagged for water protection and whatnot during the shipping process.
Seems really sturdy. I know that they have a 12 slat system. The foundation that we're replacing is just your standard plywood, not really a whole bunch of center support, so we were looking for something that really it helps with our mattress sag in the middle of the mattress because it's been an issue. So hopefully this should do it. So this is piece one. What's really nice is that we do seem to have some sort of decorative cover around the foundation, which
you could almost
nice feature.
Right. Just depending on what kind of bedding setup you might be using. Not everybody uses a bed skirt. We use a bed skirt. But there are situations where maybe you don't want to, and something this decorative probably could work.
Yeah, so we're just going to arrange this. We got two pieces to make the queen size and push them together. So pretty easy. We have a pretty solid foundation. Don't think we're going to have any trouble with center support since the middle of the foundation literally is two edges of the piece.
Right.
Alright, so now for the mattress.
Oh, just going for it like a Christmas present.
Yeah. This is in July. Which when I ordered this mattress, I was really just looking for something that promised not to sag. Because our pillow top mattress, it's only 5 years old and it's already horrible. So we will remove that. Alright, so we got our mattress out of the box. What we gotta do? Alright, so because the side wrapping is slow, this plastic, we should be able and voila! It's already ready. Less than 5 minutes, our bed is put together. Pretty sharp looking mattress. Has a quilted top. Oh, that's comfy. And that is how you unpack an Avia mattress.